Hey guys, thanks for joining on another recipe episode from Borden's Bakes. Today we're making seriously delicious turkey burgers, and it has a little secret ingredient that really keeps these nice and juicy. This recipe can be adapted for step 2 on the 1-to-1 diet, and the measurements and details are below in the description for you. Before we get started, please let me know in the comments section below what you would like to see next. It's great to get your support and your feedback and hear all your wonderful ideas. Lastly, remember to like and subscribe to the channel to see my new recipes each week. So let's get started. Mushrooms are our secret ingredient. You want to chop these up into small pieces. These really help keep the meat nice and juicy and adds a mixture of texture and flavour. Once you've cut these into smaller pieces, set them aside for later. Next, grab some garlic and mince this up using a garlic press. Next, grab a bowl and then add in your turkey mince. Add in your mushrooms, then the garlic, next add tomato ketchup. If you're on step 2, substitute the ketchup for 2 cherry tomatoes mashed up or blended in your mixer. Next, some Worcestershire sauce. Lastly, add some black pepper to taste. Combine with a spatula, ensuring everything is combined together. It's worth noting at this point that I normally add salt, however, if you're on plan, add golden veg to add salt to the mixture. Now portion them out to around 10 patties and using your hand, shape them into a burger shape. Each one should be about 70 grams each, and once finished and shaped, place it on a baking sheet. So guys, you want to use a non-stick pan so that there's no oil. Cook them on a medium heat until cooked and golden brown on top. Don't forget to always make sure before serving that they are cooked throughout. And there we have it guys, super tasty and juicy turkey burgers using mushrooms. Lastly guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any suggestions, hit me up on the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to see our new recipes each week as we release them.